Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter on this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright, first thing we're going to do is open up the glove compartment. We're going to remove this tab from here. Simply slide it out forward and out it comes. Next, what we're going to do is press in the tabs on both sides. I'm going to need both hands for that. And while we're at it, let's remove everything from here so we just don't drop it to the floor. Alright, and there we have it, and this will just slide down off of these brackets. Next, what we're going to do is you could remove this from here by pulling it out forward, and that will expose all the room that we need here to open up the air filter. We're going to pull on this tab here, and out it comes. We're going to remove the old filter from its location. There it is. We're going to install the new one. Alright, the other one had the arrows pointing down, so I'm going to put it in the exact same way. Slide that into place. We'll close our tab here. Put this into place here. This will latch over on this side here. Swing this close. Close that up. We'll put this back into place right up here. I actually had it upside down, and then we'll just slide in there and just make sure they clip in all the way. There we have it. This will go right into those there. We'll bring this up. We'll grab in the little tensioner here. This is probably the hardest part. And we'll put this back into place. And we'll grab it, slide it in, secure it down. And there we have it. We'll put everything back into place. And there we have it. Brand new air cabin filter. There's the part number. Sweet. And that is how we install that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.